Woo, this is pretty filthy right there. Can't go wrong with it. Don't even work like it's supposed to anymore. See? It's time for a replacement. What's up guys? It's your boy Stan out here, and today my plan is to actually replace this. I found some good lights on Prime Day, and my plan is to actually uninstall this completely and put a new set up there. And the ones I decided to go with are these right here. They'll match much more aesthetically to the house, matches the trim, which is black. This also is black, and it has less dust and less whatever that is that's on there. I'm gonna assume mold or whatever that may be that's on there, and that it's time for that to go. It's time to replace it and make it look much more aesthetically pleasing. So I hope you guys get to watch the video to the end so you can see the full install and see how I work this out. All right, let's get to the video further. Okay guys, this is the box that it came with, and inside the box comes with a pair of these lights here, and I'm only going to use one so far. I'm going to install one. The other one will go to my front door, which is over on that side, but this is the one that needs to be replaced automatically today. So I'm going to go ahead and take that out and show you guys the whole installation process and how it works and things of that nature. Also, link for that will be in the video as well. The shopping link will be in the video as well if you're interested in getting you one. So let me actually get to work. Let me get to uninstalling this one and putting the new one together. See how filthy that is? It's gross. Woo, this is pretty filthy right there. Can't go wrong with it. Don't even work like it's supposed to anymore. See? It's time for a replacement. All right. It's practically the uninstalled piece. I was able to shut off the power from the light in itself, and I'm going to get working on it as we speak. Check it out. All right, I was able to put the plate in the back of this off camera, of course. Able to screw it, and it's sturdy, strong, very sturdy. So now it's the instruction piece of things. where I get to figure out what's the positive, what's the negative, and plug it in together and make sure it works the right way. Because if I plug it the wrong way and I turn on the breaker, obviously it'll create a short inside the house. So we don't want that. Want to make sure we're reading the instructions this time around and following through with everything that's in the instruction manual. So let me get to this. Let me read a little bit, and then I'm gonna get to putting it together. All right, let's go. All right. There are 3 connector wires that you need to connect. The green one is the ground. That's the easiest one. Black one is positive. Actually, black one's negative, white one's positive. So the ground is going in here and down here. And black one's up here and the white one's up here. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Let's put all this together. And now you just get the 4 screws to screw it on its side. So it's these screws right here, these tiny little screws. Just like that, it's put together. And it's working. Don't mind the light bulb that's in there. I'm about to swap that out anytime now. So that's it pretty much. And the coolest thing about this is it has a power outlet right here. That's the coolest thing about it. Now I have power at the bottom as well. I'm gonna show you guys. It has a nice outlet right at the bottom of it. And when it rains, you could cover that and it's like it's never there. So you could go ahead and plug in any electronics that you have, charge your phone, string trimmer, anything of that sort here without any issues whatsoever while you have your light on. And that's pretty much that in a nutshell. That's how cool that is. What's up, guys? It's the next day here. This is the full install. This is the final piece of it. The light bulb is in there, as you can see now. Looks very cool. Looks very good. Very aesthetically pleasing to the house. I'm gonna showcase that to you guys so you guys get to see the trim and the reason I picked that. This is the front door. As you could see, it matches perfectly with the trim and the shutters. And the big bay window over there looks very, very great. Turns on and off. Sun's coming up right now, so you won't be able to see the light as much. But this is how dope it looks. Can't go wrong with it. My plants are blooming. My giraffe tool. Hose reel still here. The link will be attached to this video as well. Can't go wrong. Awesome look, seamless look. This is what the finished product look like. This is the trim in a nutshell. It's all black, so now it matches. And matches the deck as well, because the deck is black. Need to do some painting work, retouch everything up, because the winter took, a beating onto the deck in itself. But this is it in a nutshell. That's the light. It comes on, it comes off, so can't go wrong with it. Definitely a thumbs up. Well, guys, I want to thank you guys for taking the time and watching my video to its entirety. Like I said, the shopping link is attached to this video as well, and also I'll put it in the description below if you're interested in a pair as well. It's Prime Day, so I found those on Amazon, but I'll also put the shopping link attached to the video, so if you're interested in getting you a pair as well, because I got me a pair. I got one for the front door and one for the side door of the house, so to speak. I'm gonna go ahead and go purchase some light bulbs to replace these fluorescent lights with, because obviously these attract more bugs. So I hope you guys enjoy your day. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't hesitate to like, comment, and most certainly subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Let's get to 5,000 subscribers, guys. Let's go. Enjoy, guys. Peace.